Hey guys, how are you doing? So today we're going to talk about the Apple Vision Pro. The Apple Vision Pro looks like any other headset, though it has a glass front that hides all the cameras and not a plastic one. The Vision Pro supports 4K resolution and it has three different lenses, and you can switch those lenses based on your eye power. Um, and they worked with Zeiss to create these lenses. They also the Apple Vision Pro is wired, not wireless, so you can connect the Apple Vision Pro directly to a outlet for lasting the whole day, or you can connect it to a separate battery pack that you can put in your pocket and it can last up to 2 hours. The Vision Pro is technically a computer. It has an M2 chip found on Apple's highest end computers, and it has a specifically made chip for it called the R1, which processes all the headset's inputs from 12 cameras, 5 sensors, and 6 microphones, and then sends it to the M2 to reduce lag and get new images to its display within 12 milliseconds. The Vision Pro also runs on its own OS called Vision OS. It's based on an iOS framework with a 3D engine and uses rendering and other software tricks to make what Apple calls the first operating system designed from the ground up for spatial computing. The Apple Vision Pro has interior cameras that track your facial motion, and it can also scan your face to create a digital 3D avatar, which basically, when you're FaceTiming with a person and they want to see you, it will show that 3D avatar to them, and it doesn't look like you're wearing a headset to the person that you're calling to. Apple isn't pitching the Vision Pro as an entertainment device, it's pitching it as a work from home and travel device. So you can have as many windows on the AR VR model that it has, and you can place these windows anywhere in the room. So it basically uses augmented reality to create the space that you're going to be looking into, and then uses virtual reality to place the windows in the augmented reality area. Um, the Apple Vision Pro also has 3D cameras that can take spatial photos, providing 3D depth with binaural audio to experience moments with more immersion. Uh, the It also has a new feature called EyeSight, which uses inside pointing cameras and the headset's outer display to show your eyes, essentially showing people around you what your eyes are focusing on. The Vision Pro uses your eyes and hands, the most natural thing, to navigate. You don't need a controller to navigate through it. So when you are wearing the headset and you look at the interface in a specific direction, the cameras that are inside the Vision Pro sense that and can tell where you're looking at, and then the lidar scanner outside on the face of the Vision Pro, lidar scanners and other cameras can look at your hands, and you can place your hand anywhere and basically use your hands to confirm what you're looking at. And using this way, you can navigate through the system. Like every Apple product, the Vision Pro prioritizes security. So Apple introduced a new security thing called the Optic ID, which uses your eyes as an optical fingerprint for authentication. The camera data is processed at the system level, so what the headset sees isn't fed up to iCloud. The Vision Pro is a revolutionary step into what the future would look like. People are going to wear headsets, and the need for personal computers and TVs, we won't need them anymore. So the Vision Pro can be used for entertainment, it can be used for work. You don't need an extra monitor you don't need a PC for processing. It's powerful enough to do everything you can do on a powerful laptop. it replaces the need for it. Only thing you need to navigate through is a keyboard and a mouse. It'll also, because it uses an AR model, you can wear it and walk anywhere. You can just walk around knowing what your surroundings look like. It's not the usual problem with VR headsets, which only show the VR model. You can walk around. It can be used for daily uses, and over time, there's going to be a point in the future where this is going to be the headsets that we're going to wear are going to be extremely thin. They're almost going to be like glasses, like futuristic glasses. Right now, the Vision Pro obviously is in its rudimentary phase. Specifically, the AR VR headset is in the rudimentary phase. Apple got up like the first major step into AR and VR headsets. And when people are going to use them, I believe there's going to be some accidents. People are going to be careless wearing these when it first initially gets released, which is going to get released only in the US. And obviously, it can't last the whole day. It has 2 hours of battery life, but the AR VR headset model is still in its rudimentary phase. In the near future, we will have really thin headsets that could last all day long, and the need for any personal computer we won't need anything. We can have entertainment, we can do work, we can communicate with people without even having multiple devices, just wearing simple headset. Maybe they might look like glasses, but I think that's what the future holds for us. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.